everyone, I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we are Good to Know. Alright, we're back for another review. And we have, what do we have here?
We have the KRUPS GX 5000 Burr grinder.
Burr grinder. A few little things before we get into it. It has a 2-year warranty. Now you might want to read the what's all covered. It's basically manufacturer.
It's a standard warranty.
It's a standard warranty. It's something that you broke or used it wrong. They're not going to take care of it. We're going to come down here and do a little view of everything first, and then we'll show you how it's operated. Sounds good?
Sounds great.
Okay, I'm going to show you all the parts and features. Right here we have this is where your coffee's dispensed. It'll go down in here, the lid will come off, so it's easy to pour in whatever you're pouring. It will not work without this in. Good safety device. Right here is a dial with 1 to 12 number, 1 to 12, and that's for how many cups you want it to grind, so you can fill the hopper up and say you just want 2 cups. It's only going to give you enough to make 2 cups, and you can continue to use it the next time it's ready to go. Right here on the side, you see a little dial. It goes from 1 to 9, and that is your coarseness to fineness. So the lower the number, the finer it is. The higher the number, like 9, is going to be coarser. And it also has in the book, it'll tell you what suggestions, what you should put it on, depend on what style of coffee you're making, whether it's a drip, a espresso, and that matter. We also have a lid that comes up into the hopper. If you don't know what a hopper is, it kind of just holds the stuff and lets it drop down into the grinding position. This will also not work if the lid is up. That way you don't get your hand down in there, which is pretty safe. It's got safety guards inside there, but it is a good safety for kids. It has a if you want to take this out, you want to put this on fine, and this is for cleaning. You want to put it on fine, turn it to the right, and it'll release, and then it'll release, and then right in the top it has a handy brush to brush this off, and you can clean this in the sink. Do not use harsh detergents. And down inside you can blow it out and use a damp rag. You want to put this back in here.
By blow it out, you mean compressed air?
Compressed air, you can get it in a can or whatever. I would suggest running water down in there just for safety precautions. Now you want to turn it back in the opposite direction, which is counterclockwise, until it's good and tight. And that's the features of this. So now we're going to do a demonstration. It has a fillet line. You don't want to go past that fillet line. Now what we do at this house, I'm the only one who drinks coffee, so what I do is I just keep an old container and I refill it up. And we have the 8 o'clock coffee that my lovely wife has bought for me. This is the bean form. This is easy to fill. Just take your time and get it in there. And we're going to do a 12 cup. In other words, we're going to empty the hopper till it's done. Because I want mine ready to go when I get it. Okay, you want to close the lid. See, I use a drip method, so I want to set this in somewhere around 5. I'm going to put it on 5.5. Alright, then all you want to do, I'm going to do the whole hopper, so I've got it on 12. And I just hit the button. It's not that noisy. It doesn't take very long. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's going down. You're not going to be able to see it here. It's just, that's all that dust going up in there. And this really hasn't made any mess. It's almost done. Hey, that was pretty good. Normally it's on a timed method. It doesn't do it by how much it dispenses, and it stopped right at the mark. I have a few beans left in there. After that's done, you want to remove this. All right, to show you the grind that I like. I don't want it too fine where it goes through the mesh. That's a good grind for me. And there you have it. Easy cleanup, or you can just fill it up and be ready to go the next time. All right, we're done doing this. What you think?
I'm glad you like it. I bought this for him because I broke the old one by grinding some spices and peels in there. So I bought him this one to replace it, and the old one was just a blade one, like a little blender.
It was just a little small one. It only done probably a couple of tablespoons, but
it did good for grinding my spices, but then it kind of contaminated the way the coffee tasted. So we're glad that we got this one. I'm glad he likes it, and I promise not to grind any aromatic spices in there.
Now you can go to the store, and they normally have their grinders there. You can do it. Why not just come home doing your own convenience?
Right, do your own, because you don't know when the last time that one was cleaned. You don't know what kind of bugs got in there, and you don't know what other flavors of coffee.
There's other flavors that could got. Even though I could mix flavors here, at least it's something I know I like.
Something that you wanted to mix.
So, and I normally, once we get done, I'll just do a whole bag and fill up my jug, and I'm ready to go until I need to do it again. So, and we'll give it a little clean. I would suggest if you buy something like this, just use it for whatever you're using it for.
That didn't make sense.
If you buy this for doing coffee, just use it for coffee. So that made more sense when I explained it to her. So anyway, if you want to do spices, buy the little ones and
buy one dedicated to spices.
Yep. So all right, I hope y'all learned something here. We'll have a link to this down in the Amazon.
I think it cost about $40.
$40. If you're a Prime member, you'll probably get it cheaper than that. If you buy it off our link, yes, we do make a little money, but it does not change the price for you. It's still the same price.
And we appreciate your business.
Well, yes, we do. And when I say we make a little, it's very little. So anyway, y'all keep looking at it, watching our channel. We're going to come back with some new stuff, some fun stuff. If you have any suggestions on something that, especially household, that you would like to see, let us know. We may have it and go ahead and do a review on it.
Yep.
Right? All right. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we are Good to Know. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Share this stuff on social media.
Come back.
Come back.
Subscribe. Buy a coffee grinder.
Get that coffee grinder. You'll enjoy it.
It smells good.